Hi fellow shoppers, welcome back to another Amazon video. So today we're checking out the DEERC RC truck. So I love this brand, and that's because I personally own probably 7 or more of their RC trucks because they're customizable and they're so much fun. Well, let's stop blabbing and let's get down to the meat. Check this out, guys. This is awesome looking. Wow, this is cool. So guys, they give you a couple accessories here. You got your charging cable, extra pins, a brush, screwdriver, and more accessories. So this is it. Now, I love that they put these pins in with the flap. It makes it so much easier for taking off. I mean, guys, this is really nice looking. I'm just so impressed with DEERC. They make such a high quality everything. They make bodies. I mean, look at that. Even the frame is more support. The body, I mean. But yeah, they make everything such high quality that almost anybody can get. And it's so cool. On-off button right here. Your battery goes in here with Velcro strap holding it down. I mean, this one is definitely a upgraded model. Look at the shocks on that. I mean, really nice. Independent, very nice looking, guys. So you get 2 batteries. This is your remote control. You got your steering trim, you got your speed on off button, standard remote where you pull down to go, push up for reverse and your brakes, turn this for steering. Let's go ahead and see what kind of batteries you need for the remote. All right, it looks like 2 AA batteries is all you need. So guys, let's get up and close and personal with this so you guys can get a better view. Now you do have headlights, which is pretty awesome. I mean, this thing is really nice. They just keep, every new model that they come out with, they just keep enhancing the features and making it such a competition item. Always impressed with them. One of my most favorite brands, that's for sure. So if you press and hold the power button, it blinks and that enters pairing mode. So then you turn your controller on. Some people say turn your remote on first before you turn on the actual RC car, just because of radio interference. So that's up to you guys. But so guys, when you put your battery in, it's going to be blinking green and red. Once it's done, it should blink, or it should be a solid green, letting you know it's done. You guys can charge this with, it gives a USB outlet, but any USB port will charge it. Even your PlayStation port will charge the battery. I like to use power banks. That way you can take everything portable with you wherever you go.